Hey everyone, David here from the Five and Dime Upcycled Furniture, Antiques, and Accents. And I present to you Jeannie, the hall or sofa table that I completely refinished using Dixie Belle products and Roycycled Treasures decoupage papers. To start off, I gave it a good clean with Dixie Belle's White Lightning to ensure that I got all the dirt and grime off of it. Then gave it a good rinse with water, gave it a light scuff sand, and then came in with Dixie Belle's Slick Stick, the adhesion primer. I gave it one coat of Slick Stick, let it dry for 2 hours, came in and gave it a second coat, and then let it dry overnight before I started painting. I used Dixie Belle Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint and used the colors Black Sands and Nautical and did a mash. So basically what I did with this is I actually came in with one brush with the one color, the other brush on top of it with the second color, so that it would be a mottled gray-blue effect. And I ended up giving this 2 coats before I started on the decoupage. Dixie Belle's Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint has a built-in primer and top coat. I did come in and give it a top coat afterwards as well, using the satin clear coat, and on the top I did use gator hide to finish it when I was done as well. When possible, I always suggest that you flip a piece of furniture over so that you can make sure you get all the coverage. There's no missed areas, and it makes it easier when you're trying to hit some of those areas that are a little bit tougher to reach as well. On this project, I used Roycycled Treasures industrial exhibition paper as well as the textures paper. And because the paper wasn't large enough to fit across the whole piece, I did come in and use the two of them together because the color combination worked really well. And you'll notice that I used a artist brush to kind of create seams overlapping the two pieces so they had a more cohesive look as opposed to a straight line. Once I got the pattern down that I wanted, I came back in with a few pieces from each paper and went across to the opposite paper to give it a seamless look so that it was more integrated. This is how it ended up. And so using a sandpaper around the edge when it was dry, I came in and took all of the excess off. I then came in with silver gilding wax and used this Wheels and Cogs stencil on the bottom in silver gilding wax by Dixie Belle, and a little bit of the silver accent around the edges as well. Jeannie is now available at fiveanddime.ca. Thank you.